Hey everyone, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate an ad here in the Facebook Ads Manager. To get started with that, we just need to be logged into the main Ads Manager dashboard and click on the campaign until we get through to the ad level of the campaign setup. From there, we want to hover our mouse over the ad which we want to duplicate, and let's go right here. And we can see now that there are three buttons which have appeared: the View Charts, Edit, and Duplicate. Let's click on the Duplicate button. And what this is going to do is allow us to choose how we want to duplicate our ad. Let's say we want to have it in the existing campaign setup. And once we have done that, we just need to scroll down and choose how many copies we want to have of this particular ad. Let's just say 1 for now and click on the blue Duplicate button. And once that has been done, congratulations, you have now got a duplicate version of your ad. You can make small edits and adjustments to split test the differences and see what type of performance outcomes you have from the existing ad and the new ad. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.